So let's take a look. Learning management systems is the first module. It's for both students and teachers, and it creates a central hub where educators can upload, organize a course, material for student access. Usually does not include the content, it provides you with the ability to integrate content creation platforms. It generates reports on participation, grades, quizzes, course activities, etc. And here are some of the big providers of this. So Google Classroom, at least what I've seen, maybe some of you can comment on this if you're currently using Google Classroom. Google has made this free, and they have a very particular strategy in mind. This is, they want to get you and the students and everybody, and for the whole world for that matter, into their ecosystem. And this is a tool to do that. So it integrates Google Documents, it integrates Gmail, it integrates, I don't know, everything else that Google does, YouTube, obviously. And so this is a strategy that technology companies have used for decades, starting with IBM. So IBM gave mainframe computers to universities when they got going with that product in the 1960s and 70s. And the idea was they want students and teachers to learn on their platform so that when they left school, they would go out and they would buy IBM computers for businesses and government, wherever they were working. Apple did the same thing with giving schools their Mac, and earlier than Mac, whatever, Apple something or other. And so, Google is just taking a page out of their book and doing something similar. It's a good program. There's no way around it. I've used Blackboard and Canvas, very similar. Blackboard, I find sort of, I don't know, overly confusing. I mean, it has every functionality, but it's, a little bit confusing. It's not free, it's not cheap. They've just come out with a new version, 9.1. It's much more like Canvas, which is a cleaner version of it. So these are, Moodle is a Google product as well. And, but Google Classroom, a school can get an account and then it sort of integrates with the whole school. That's what they're looking to do, to get everybody.